Back at it. Road tripping.
I can't see shit.
Gonna go get an HHR door. Because the one that's on it is super rotted.
If the guy texts us back.
He just did. The door's pulled and waiting for you.
Good.
Yeah, so we got a 3-hour drive to Kentucky for an HHR door. I don't know why, but it's the only one I can find around here that's actually decent, because everyone seems to total their shit. So, all right, yeah, figured I'd make a YouTube video. Boys, we got the doors pretty clean. Little speck of rust right there, but nothing too terrible. So we're in there. I'm gonna toss this door on. It's gonna look way better. Pretty hyped. See you guys when we get home. Throw this door on tomorrow. What's good? We are back. Got the old door here. You can't really tell how messed up it is on camera, but if we get super close, this is all rotted. At one point, I tried to fix this actually on my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is all my fault. And you know, this is something I've wanted to do for like 3 years, so it feels good finally getting to it. Let's go ahead and tackle this. It looks like we gotta pop the door panel off. Pop the door panel off, and then we'll, looks like 4 bolts. Get the pin off and the wire harness, but we gotta get the door panel off first hopefully without damaging this, because these things are hard to find. I mean, they're out there, but I don't feel like spending more money on this thing. Torque screws right there, torque screw right there. That pin sucked. That was terrible, especially not breaking it. But hey, whatever, we did it. Let's get that last screw out, pull the door panel. Always good. I had to answer a phone call from my boy Christian. Shouts to Christian. I know you're not watching this, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe you are. Yeah. So Levi finished up the door. Couple bolts. Got the loom out. Pretty straightforward. Gonna put the other one on now. Yay. I definitely gotta paint this. This is just a heads up, if you're doing this, there's a connector inside the car. We didn't know that, so I guess we should have looked at the door, but here's the new door. Yeah. It's pretty nice. And we're upset because we took the whole loom out, and we really didn't have to, but.
So you peel this rubber back and hit that tab and the whole connector comes out.
Yeah, more you know, so that was awesome. But yeah, we're gonna throw this door on, and that's that. Hopefully everything works on it. We're about to find out. Team, we got the door on. Levi got was that the lock?
No.
What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. All right, we gotta get this off.
It was the door cable.
Fuck, ow.
Maybe. No, it wasn't.
Yeah, whatever.
Nope, it was that. Whatever that is.
No, I threw that to the side. I don't know what you broke, but whatever. Anyways, we gotta swap these door panels out, and then we will update you on the full how it looks. Yo, we are done, and that door looks killer. Let's go. Really lucked out. We got the door panel on. Really lucked out on the tent. The tent matches perfectly. Everything just worked out. So I'm blessed. This was really, really something I've been wanting to do. Fun working on my dad's car. Means a lot to me. And, you know, it's cool doing some stuff that he never got the chance to do. I know this door had been bothering him for a minute. And it's just cool being able to do it in his shop. And just blessed. So I'll leave y'all with that. Thanks for watching. See y'all on the next one.